How to write the Fibonacci sequence. I had originally coded the program wrongly. Instead of returning the Fibonacci numbers between a range, i.e. start number 1, and number 20 should equals only those numbers between 1 and 20, I have written for the program to display all Fibonacci numbers between a range, i.e. start number 1, and number 20 displays equals first 20 Fibonacci numbers. I thought I had a surefire code. I also do not see why this is happening. Someone pointed out in my part 2, which was closed for being a duplicate, this URL, that I need to pass the start number and end number through a generator using a while loop. Can someone please point me in the direction on how to do this? Any help is welcome. I'm a learning programmer and I've run into a bit of a jumble. I am asked to write a program that will compute and display Fibonacci sequence by a user inputter start number and end number, i.e. start number equals 20, end number equals 100, and it will display only the numbers between that range. The trick is to use it inclusively, which I do not know how to do in Python. I'm assuming this means to use an inclusive range. What I have so far is no actual coding but rather write fib sequence formula to infinite. Display start number to end number only from fib sequence. I have no idea where to start and I am asking for ideas or insight into how to write this. I also have tried to write the fib sequence formula but I get lost on that as well.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.